Every color has a complementary color. What does this mean? When colors lying opposite each other on the color wheel are placed next to each other, they brighten each other and are in striking contrast, making them appealing as a combination. Basically, they complement each other. Is it any surprise then that a gorgeous sunset makes us stop and admire it? Why is it so beautiful? We have that mix of blue and orange to thank. Here's another real-world example. Red baubles on a green Christmas tree. These colors bring each other out vividly when they're brought together side by side. If you've been paying attention, you'll also note that in both cases, we have one primary color and one secondary color. Now let's look at some examples of how this is helpful in makeup. When complementary colors are placed over each other, they cancel each other out by producing a gray. So for example, if you mix equal amounts of red and green, it will produce a gray. Now this use of color is specific to color correction in makeup. For example, bluish dark circles can be corrected or neutralized using an orange corrector. Or a cluster of red acne spots can be corrected with a green corrector because the complementary colors go over each other.